I used to think AI would make work easier, not faster, not smarter, just lighter, less effort, less thinking, less mental load. But for a lot of people, AI is doing the exact opposite. Work feels heavier now. More tabs, more tools, more prompts, more decisions, and somehow less clarity. Here's the strange part. AI didn't replace anything. It just stacked itself on top of everything else. Instead of removing steps, it added new ones. Now you don't just do the work. You plan the work. You explain the work. You rewrite the work. You verify the work. And that invisible weight adds up. Most people don't notice this happening. They think, I'm being productive. But what they're really doing is managing complexity. And complexity is exhausting. Think about how most people actually use AI. They start a task. Then they stop. Then they ask AI. They read the answer. They tweak it. They ask again. They compare versions. They second guess. By the time they're done, they've touched the task more times than before. AI didn't remove effort. It redistributed it. This is why people feel tired after productive days. They didn't do hard work. They did friction work. Decision after decision. Choice after choice. Micro-adjustment after micro-adjustment. That's not leverage. That's cognitive overload. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI doesn't reduce work by default. It reduces work only when it replaces something. If it just adds another layer, you lose. Quick side note. If this feels familiar, I share practical AI systems and templates in my Telegram channel. No hype. No theory. Just things you can actually reuse. The link is in the description. All right, back to the point. The real mistake people make with AI is using it inside messy processes. They keep the chaos and expect AI to clean it up. It doesn't. It amplifies it. Imagine adding a powerful engine to a car with broken steering. You don't go faster. You crash faster. AI works the same way. The moment AI becomes useful is when it removes steps, not adds them. One input. One structure. One output. No constant decisions in between. This is why some people swear AI changed their life and others quietly stop using it. Same tools. Different setup. Here's a simple test. After using AI for a task, ask yourself, did this replace something or did it just add another thing to manage? If the answer is add, that's why it feels heavy. The goal isn't to use AI more. The goal is to think less while using it. That only happens when the process is fixed first. When you remove unnecessary decisions, repeated explanations, Constant tweaking. AI becomes light, predictable, calm, almost boring. And that's when it actually saves time. I didn't get better results by finding better prompts. I got better results by removing half the steps. Same AI. Less noise. If you want to work with AI without feeling overloaded, start here. Don't ask, how can AI help me with this? Ask, what should AI completely replace? That single shift changes everything. If you want more practical systems like this and real examples I actually use, check the link in the description and join my Telegram channel. I share things there that don't always make it into YouTube videos. AI isn't supposed to make work heavier. If it does, something extra needs to be removed, not added.